ChatGPT said, "Hey, welcome back to G Drive. Today, we're stepping into something truly extraordinary. The 2025 white Luxurest BMW Motorhome camper. If you've ever dreamed of a 5-star hotel experience on wheels, this is it. BMW has taken their signature luxury and innovation and stretched it into a futuristic RV that turns every trip into a first-class escape. From the outside, it's a total head-turner. Finished in glacier white with satin chrome accents and flowing LED light strips, the Luxurest looks more like a modern art piece than a camper. The iconic BMW kidney grille has been reimagined with a sleek, illuminated design and the panoramic solar glass roof adds both style and off-grid functionality. It glides on 22-inch aero wheels and rides low with a quiet confidence that screams premium. Step inside and it's like walking into a luxury suite. The cabin is open, bright, and effortlessly elegant. You're surrounded by ivory leather, real wood grain, soft touch panels, and ambient lighting that adjusts with your voice or gestures. The lounge area features a modular seating system, a hidden OLED entertainment display, and a smart table that rises and rotates based on your activity, dining, working, relaxing, you name it. The kitchen is clean and minimal, with touch-to-open cabinets, a dual-burner induction cooktop, smart cooling drawers, and a built-in espresso bar. In the rear, the sleeping quarters feel like a private retreat, a floating memory foam bed, backlit headboard, and a ceiling that transforms into a virtual skylight with stars or sunrise views on command. And the bathroom? Easily one of the best we've seen in a camper. Heated marble floors, rainfall shower, an auto-dehumidifying system, and a smart mirror that gives you weather, time, and even wellness prompts. It's elegant and practical, just like everything else in here. Now for performance, this motorhome is fully electric, powered by BMW's dual-motor EV system, pushing out 620 horsepower. With a range of up to 680 kilometers and adaptive air suspension, it drives like a luxury SUV, not a bulky RV. It's smooth, quiet, and handles curves with ease. Charging is quick too, about 80% in 30 minutes with fast charging capability. The starting price? Around $490,000. It's not cheap, but this isn't just a motorhome. It's a mobile luxury experience designed for people who want the best of both worlds, freedom and refinement. So, if you had the keys to this $490,000 BMW motorhome, where's the first place you'd go? Drop your dream destination in the comments. And if next-gen luxury travel is your thing, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell. This is G Drive. And we've got more where this came from.